Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic: how to make money online in just one day and cash out immediately. We're talking about legitimate websites and strategies that can put cash in your hand by the end of the day. No waiting for weeks to get paid. We're talking instant gratification. Now, I'm not going to lie, the amount of money you can make will vary depending on the platform you choose and the amount of time you're willing to put in. But hey, even an extra 50 or 100 bucks in your pocket is better than nothing, right? So if you're ready to start hustling and see some actual results, stick around because I'm about to break down 5 proven websites that can help you make money online starting today. Let's get started. Before we jump into the specific websites, let's talk strategy for a second. The key to making money online quickly is choosing the right platform for your skills and interests. Are you a whiz at writing, designing? Or maybe you have a knack for data entry. Or maybe you just need something super simple and straightforward that anyone can do. There's a platform out there for everyone. The good news is most of these platforms are free to join, so you can try out a few different ones and see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your niche. First up, let's talk about microtasking websites. These platforms are perfect if you're looking for quick and easy tasks that you can do in your spare time. We're talking things like data entry, transcription, image tagging, even taking surveys. Now, don't expect to get rich quick with microtasking. The pay per task is usually pretty small, but it can add up if you're consistent. The beauty of these platforms is that they offer instant payouts, so you can cash out your earnings as soon as you reach the minimum threshold. Some popular microtasking websites include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Prolific. Do your research, choose a platform, and start racking up those microtasks. Chapter 3. Freelancing your skills, your paycheck. If you have valuable skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistance, freelance gig platforms are where it's at. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world who are looking for talented individuals like you. The earning potential on freelance platforms is significantly higher compared to microtasking, but it also requires more effort and expertise. You'll need to create a compelling profile, bid on projects, and deliver high-quality work to build a good reputation. Some of the most popular freelance platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. If you're serious about making money online, freelancing can be a lucrative option. Chapter 4. Digital Products, Passive Income Powerhouse. Now, if you're looking for a more passive way to make money online, selling digital products could be your golden ticket. This involves creating valuable digital assets like ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, or even music and selling them online. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without any additional effort. Talk about passive income. Plus, you get to set your own prices and keep a larger portion of the profits compared to selling physical products. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market are great places to sell your digital creations. If you have a knack for creating valuable content, this could be your path to online income. Chapter 5. Surveys get paid for your opinion. Last but not least, let's not forget about online surveys. While they might not make you rich, they offer a simple and easy way to earn a few extra bucks in your spare time. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for your honest opinions. Just be aware that not all survey sites are created equal. Some are definitely better than others in terms of payout and legitimacy. Do your research, read reviews, and stick to reputable platforms. A few popular survey sites to check out include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. It's a quick and easy way to start making money with minimal effort. There you have it, folks. 5 proven ways to make money online and cash out in just one day. Remember, the key is to choose the platform that aligns best with your skills, interests, and how much time and effort you're willing to put in. Whether you're looking for quick micro tasks, want to dive into freelancing, or explore the world of digital products, there's an opportunity out there for you. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, so why not take advantage and start building your online income stream today? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.